At the University of Maryland, we believe that education has the power to transform the life of every person on earth. As the state's flagship institution, Maryland is proud to be a place where brilliant students and faculty can excel and discover their next fearless idea. The current freshman class is our strongest yet, with nearly 34,000 applications and an acceptance rate of less than 15%. For our graduates, success awaits them across our great state. Almost half of our 369,000 alumni work in the state of Maryland. Maryland students take part in a challenging and highly engaging academic curriculum across 12 schools and colleges. Take a walk across campus and you'll witness new biomedical discoveries in the A. James Clark Hall, experience innovative, collaborative digital classrooms in the Edward St. John Teaching and Learning Center, and see students writing for national news organizations in the new Howard Center for Investigative Journalism. The university has more than $545 million in total research awards this year, positioning Maryland as a leader nationally and internationally, and the largest research university inside the Capital Beltway. We will press forward with even more excellence in teaching, research, and economic development with fearless ideas, the Campaign for Maryland. The record-breaking $1.5 billion effort is already more than 2/3 of the way to the finish line, thanks to generous alumni and friends around the world. The fundraising campaign creates new scholarships like the Clark Challenge for the Maryland Promise that supports students from our state with the greatest need, builds new facilities for creative entrepreneurs such as the E.A. Fernandez Idea Factory, and stellar living learning programs that transform the student experience, such as our Honors College residential community. Your commitment to our university and to the future of our state and region create the very best programs, experiences, and facilities for our students and faculty. Thank you for your confidence in all that the University of Maryland does for the next generation of Terps and their fearless ideas.